From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. Today, thousands used their Martin Luther King holiday to come to the state capitol and lobby their state lawmakers on issues ranging from the minimum wage to the Equal Rights Amendment to gun access. Though most of the controversial gun bills are now dead for the year, hundreds attended rallies on opposite ends of the gun debate today.
And if I had my way, your concealed weapons permit would be good in all 50 states, just like your driver's license.
Governor Ralph Northam told gun violence prevention advocates that the issue will hurt Republicans in November.
And there are some times when we do all that we can to change people's minds. But if we can't change people's minds, we need to change their seats. And that's what we're going to do in 2019.
This year, the General Assembly killed bills that would require universal background checks for all gun sales, raise the legal age to purchase guns, ban bump stocks, and allow cities to ban guns during permitted events. The Senate has passed bills expanding the list of those who can carry concealed without a permit. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.